Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Fedora Server 41 on VirtualBox. First go to Fedora official website, that is fedoraproject.org. Then download. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 41. Click on Get Fedora. Then select the server. Then click on Download. See here, we have the ISOs for Intel or AMD, and these are ARM or ARC systems. Okay, so select Fedora 41 server DVD ISO file. So click on this download button. See, no need to register. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is 2.6 gigabytes. Wait until download completes. Okay, I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Fedora server DVD ISO file. So I'm cancelling it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install it. Start VirtualBox. Then click on New or Machine and select New. Both are same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Fed 41. S means server VMO. Okay. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on other. See, this is the default location. If you want some other location, then go to that location and select the path where you have the enough space or as per your requirement. Then click on create new folder. Then give the name and select the folder ISO image. Now we have to select the downloaded ISO file. Click on this drop down and select other. Then go to downloads directory or go to the path where you have the DVD Fedora server DVD ISO file. Select it, open it. See, type has been changed to Linux and subtype as Fedora and version as Fedora 64-bit. Okay, then go to hardware. See, by default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes. Number of CPUs 2. Then hard disk, I am going to give it to 100 gigabytes. So if you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings, just select virtual machine from this list and click on settings, or right click and select settings, or select it here and click on machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay. Also go to settings, network. See, by default it has selected NAT adapter. It is up to you. So I'm going with bridge adapter. It is up to you. So select the NAT or bridge adapter. Click on OK. Then if you are okay with all the settings, click on start to start the installation of Fedora Server 41 on VirtualBox. Click on it. Now use up and down arrows. Let me maximize it first. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Fedora, and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Control key on keyboard, right Control key on keyboard. Then it will be released. Then select the language and click on continue. See here, the begin installation has been grayed out. Also see here, this is Fedora server. Okay. So why? Because the items that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So click on this system. Select the installation destination. I am going with the default, so click on done. Now click on root account to set the password. Then select the enable root account. Then provide the password. Then click on done. See, now we are able to click on begin installation. Also I want to create user, so click on user creation. Then provide user full name, and this will be the username. And if you want add administrative privileges to this user account, you have to select the checkbox. Then provide the password for this user, confirm the same, then click on done. Okay. Then installation source, it's okay. Software selection. See here, it is Fedora Server Edition. Okay. And if you want to add additional software, see here we have the guest agents, container management, domain membership, etc. options are there. At this moment I am not going to do, but if you want, you can select these by just selecting checkbox. Then click on done. Okay, remaining time, if you want to provide time, you can select this time zone. First select the region and select the city from this list. Okay, I'm not going to do so. Click on done. If you're okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. I'm going to pause this video and I will resume. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will perform the post installation steps. See, Fedora now is successfully installed, ready for you to use. Go ahead and restart your system to start using it. So click on reboot system. See here, booting Fedora Linux 41, and in brackets see here, it's a server edition. See here, we have connected Fedora Linux 41, it is server edition. So now provide the login, R2 schools, that is the username that I have given. Hit enter, then provide the password of this user. Now verify the IP of this machine, ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, now verify the version of the Fedora that we have installed, more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Fedora version 41 and its server edition. Control N to clear screen. Now the first step after connecting to Fedora server is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update && sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. So see, updation has been started. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Fedora Linux Server 41 on VirtualBox. For more Fedora Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.